So good morning, sir. It's my final presentation in our subject, Understanding the Self. So good morning, sir. What is the importance of understanding myself in the future? As a person, it is important for me to understand myself, to see where I am good at and what things I have still to work on. And it will help me make smart decisions in my life and also have a good relationship with others. As a son, understanding myself can be the key to have a good relationships with my family, especially with my parents, because I have been not really good at communicating with my parents. So by knowing myself, I can understand and make my communication with my parents better. And also, I will have a good relationship with them and be happier and satisfied when I live with them. As a student, understanding myself will help me make my studies better. I know that it is crucial for me to make my study better, but by knowing myself, where I am good at and where I have to improve, I can make strategies in my studies and make them easier to understand my topics and lessons. And I will feel more enjoyable, confident, and my communication with my classmates and teachers be better. And as for my personal growth and development, I made some key reasons why I should understand myself in the future as a whole person. So first is self-awareness, personal growth, effective communication, career development, emotional intelligence, and increased confidence.